Hello friends, hope you're all doing great. Welcome to UpskillMafia, India's first virtual campus, where you not only just learn MERN stack and start your web development journey, but you get a chance to interact with students from all across the globe. The emphasis over here is made on project-based learning. So let's begin. And I am Tanya, and I'll tell you how you can start your web development journey in UpskillMafia. So when you enter the platform, you will enter this common area with a guest ID. As you are a new student, so you'll enter with guest ID. So in order to change your name, you can click at the settings icon that you can see in this blue panel on the left hand side at the very bottom. All right. If you're not able to see the blue panel, just click at the arrows that you see at the top right. By clicking on the arrows, the blue panel will appear, and by clicking at the settings option, you can just change your name, and you can even edit your avatar and background according to your vibe and further save all the changes. Alright, so now you have saved your name. Now I'll tell you about some basic features, that is about the muting and unmuting yourself. You can talk to your friends and switching on your camera. Then the next feature is about emojis. So you can see there are so many emojis, number 1 to 9. By clicking at any of the numbers from your keyboard, you can just express yourself. For example, if I click number 3, yeah, that's a thumbs up. All right. So this is the most fun way to interact with your friends and peers. Next, moving on to the feature of raise hands. You can either click X from your keyboard or you can click this option. The most amazing feature I find in Upskill Mafia is about screen share. So in case you get any doubt or you have any query or you want to showcase your project, you can just screen share from this option and you can ask in a better manner about your query from the mentors or the seniors. So, all right, this was about the basic features. Now I'll tell you about the movement. You can move in this platform. First of all, I'll show you the entire platform. So this is the entire platform. As you can see, it has three halls: the event hall, the learning hall, and the challenge. So in order to move, you can either use your keyboard tabs of left, right, up, down. So if, for example, I want to go in the discussion room, I'll just use the keyboard keys. And if I want to move to another hall, I want to move a place that is a little far away, I'll just double click at that place and fly to that place. As you can see, for example, I want to go to the stage area. I'll just double click at that space and I'll fly to that place. So this is the event hall. It has a stage area and it has discussion rooms where you can come and have a discussion with your friends about your projects or anything. It also includes two clubs, the Tech Club and the Speak Up Club. In the Tech Club, we have DSA Club and Dev. So this was about the event hall. Moving on further, the most important part, so for which you're all here. So this is the learning hall, and by double clicking at any of the chairs, I make myself sit on the in the learning hall, and now I'm able to access the task. So you have to remember, in order to access the task, you should be able to you should be able to sit on any of the chairs. All right. So you can see there are so many chairs with tasks written all over it. So you have to make yourself sit on any of the chairs. And by double clicking on the chair, I can see this option of tasks. So if I click this option, I'll get a screen like this after you have logged in. So you'll get a screen with the tasks written all over it. So we have all the tasks starting from HTML, very basic, CSS, moving on to JS, React, and so on. So you'll learn from zero level and we'll take you to the advanced. So by clicking at the view task and lectures option, you can just view your task either in Hindi or English language, in whichever language you are comfortable in. You can watch the video by clicking at the play option. After watching the video and learning the concept, you can come back and click at the view task option. By clicking at this option, you will able to see your task. So this is what I was talking about. This is a project-based learning. You are watching the video and simultaneously you're doing the tasks. By clicking at the view task, you're supposed to do whatever it is given in the task. So complete the task and then you have to submit the task to us by clicking the submit task option and attaching the link over here. All right. So once your task is submitted, it will get reviewed by the mentors and they'll give you the feedback about your task. So if your task is correct, you'll get a status green over here. And if it has some flaws, it will get a red status. By doing all the tasks consistently, you'll start earning points. And by earning the points, as you can see over here in the dashboard area, you'll get your rank, right? So we have a weekly dashboard, we have a weekly leaderboard as well as the overall leaderboard. So you just keep on earning points, and you can come on the dashboard on the leaderboard as well. All right, so this is the streak. So this is all for your motivation. The next is about the refer and earn. So you can just refer this link to your friends and you can earn credits that will lead you to some amazing gifts. All right. So this was the club. You can view the details of the club from here and the timings of the club from here. So that were made in order for your interaction and development, overall development. All right. The next is the hackathon and internships. So once you have done the task, some task, and you're able to, just have able to put your knowledge onto the projects, you can come for hackathons. You can join us for hackathons, and you can even apply for internships. The next is gems. So you will do some fun. We'll give you some fun games to do, some fun tasks, so you can earn gems, and again, you can get some amazing rewards. The next option is of resume. So yeah, this is what we are providing, an industry level based resume. So once you have learned learned from the task, you have learned the skills, you can just put all the details and you'll get a resume ready. So while doing tasks, in the learning hall, if you are doing tasks and you get any problem, you can just come into the mentor room that is over here, and you can ask any queries from the mentors during the time 8 to 11 p.m. I would like to mention that the campus is live 24/7, but the mentors they come during this time, so you can ask any queries from them. And further, in the challenge hall, again, you have to repeat the same process by making yourself sit on the chair and clicking at the apps. Challenges are a little advanced. For that, you have to complete the task. So that was all about Upskill Mafia campus. And we are just focusing on giving you some real life experience on an online platform. So hope you enjoy your journey. Thank you.